Council, just to give you an update of how this works in here, it's really a pretrial diversion court. So the case for your client, if the client is not willing to do community service or your client wants to fight the ticket, then we're going to send your client to his alphabet judge, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, I'm going to bring him in. I'll put him in breakout room 5. The city attorney meets in breakout room 4, so you'll work between breakout room 4 and 5. Mr. Alaudi, Mr. Alabas Alaudi?
Yes.
Sorry. Good morning to you, sir. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Your attorney is here. He's going to get some things sorted out, and he's going to come see you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join the room, please.
All right.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. You're still driving. Don't come back. You're driving in my courtroom. Look how unsafe that is.
Okay, I was just heading to work. I got you. I'm gonna park over to the side.
All right, I'm gonna start letting them in.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello?
Yes.
It's on you, counsel. It's on.
Good morning.
Good
The
morning.
Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días a la Corte Comunitaria que entra en sesión con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. En esta corte, asegúrese de que su micrófono esté en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado y su pantalla muestre la imagen clara de usted. Debe estar debidamente sentado y quieto en un solo lugar. Si se encuentra en un vehículo, dicho vehículo no debe estar en movimiento mientras esta corte esté en sesión. En esta corte tampoco se permite estar hablando, comiendo, bebiendo, masticando chicle, moviéndose de un lugar a otro, y en todo momento debe estar debidamente vestido, nada de camisetas sin manga ni de escotes, y no debe tener ningún tipo de cobertura en la cabeza, sombrero, cachucha, capucha, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Si no es por razones religiosas, por favor, retírelo de su cabeza. Buenos días a todos. La contra es sesión.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de hacer esto de la manera más rápida y eficiente posible, y voy a tratar de llamarlos en la orden en que se registraron.
No aparece la foto.
What was that?
I don't know, Your Honor. Somebody talking. Por
Are we ready, Ms. Williams? Ms. Williams Law is not here today. Do we have the system on? Yes. Okay. let's start with. Yeah, but they're in the review. Oh, I don't think they're in the review files. These are reviews.
Yeah, there's no file.
I have to have the file. Let's start with, there's no files at all?
Yeah, those, they're not, are they on the docket?
Yes.
Because I'm not
Veremos
seeing
cómo
them.
batear la.
Señora Leal, por favor, apague su micrófono.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Manuel Yame Delgado, case number SP 187-39041. Mr. Delgado, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, la corte llama al caso de la ciudad de Detroit, llama al caso del señor José Manuel Delgado, número de caso SP 187-39041. Señor Delgado, por favor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre completo.
José Manuel Jaime Delgado.
José Manuel Jaime Delgado.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to pay due 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso, donde usted se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario y ya veo que las ha hecho, y 6 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de pagar montos y costos. Por lo tanto, le agradecemos mucho su servicio y con esto su caso queda desestimado. Ya se puede retirar.
No tengo récord, no, ya acabé las 6 horas, ¿verdad?
I don't have a record. I already am done with this.
No, it's going to be closed out under blocking traffic, sir. That does not abstract to the Secretary of State, nor does it carry any points.
No, señor, esto va a estar cerrado en el día de hoy para el cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico, lo cual no acarrea puntos ni se lleva a la Secretaría del Estado. Con esto queda cerrado su caso.
Muchísimas gracias. Gracias.
Thank you very much. Have a nice week.
Have a better one.
Igualmente, señor.
Was that Jose Delgado?
Yes. Miss, the other ones are Miss Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Anthony Coleman, case number SP 1911689. Mr. Coleman, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Deshaun Coleman.
Okay. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to do 6 hours of community service. I gave you credit for what you had already paid. You completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, sir. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Coleman, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Nee Darren Green, case number SP 186-81152. Mr. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Antonio Green.
Mr. Green, today is the date and time is set for a review. And you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service, and it says you have not completed anything.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Where are you?
At work.
All right, why haven't you done any community service hours?
So I had just started a new job and I couldn't work over the weekend. And I had just talked to
You're not coming, wait a minute. Hold on, Mr. Green. You're not coming through too clearly.
Oh, is this better?
Not really, but I'll try.
I had just started a new job, so I had to work over the weekend. So I just talked to the man, I think yesterday or the day before, and told him I'm gonna try to come in Saturday because I'm off this Saturday to come in there and talk to him.
Okay, I'm gonna reset this for August the 12th. Get with Mr. Phillips. Let's get this done, okay?
Okay.
Congratulations on your new job. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Nico Charles Gutierrez. Case number SP 111019881, SP 133-67521. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please, Mr. Gutierrez.
Nico Gutierrez. Señor, ¿necesita intérprete?
No, I don't need.
Perfect. Gracias. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, today is the date and time. It is set for a review, and you were ordered to do 30 hours of community service. Actually, 24 hours you were ordered to do, and 6 of those hours are allowed you to do in lieu of fines and costs. I see you completed the 24 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we will dismiss the 2 cases, the SP 111011981 and the SP 133-67521. We'll dismiss those. Are you going to complete the other 6 hours, or you just want to pay this $210?
No, if you give me one more week, I could finish the hours.
All right. SP 1101971. Review. I'll give you, come back next week, 8/15/2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gutierrez, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Yeah, is that 7:15 or 8:15?
All right. All right.
Judge, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Is the city attorney in breakout room 4?
You're in breakout room 4. Good morning to you, Mr. Garinger.
Yes.
I am going to give you, you just have one attorney waiting to see you. Let's see if I can find you on here to give you, okay, I see.
Yes,
There you
good morning,
go.
Your Honor.
Yeah, go to room 4, please, counsel, and
Thank you, Judge.
both counsels, please.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. How is this Michael Deontay Lee? Oh, if I got both Michael Lees here? Do I have both Michael Lees, junior and senior?
Yes, I believe so.
All right, where's that? Who is that just said, I believe so?
This is the senior.
Okay. You have all the tickets, right?
Yes, sir.
Call it City of Detroit versus Michael Deontay Lee. Case numbers SP 164151552, SP 1393097, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1379729, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 164151551. Good morning to you, Mr. Lee. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Lee.
All right. I'm overwhelmed, sir, that you completed all of these community service hours. You even went over and above. It had a mixture of I allowed you to do some to clear up the civil infractions, and I ordered you to do some. You went over and above and gave 3 extra hours. I hope you made some relationships and made some connections out of this. I hope you also got something out of it, as far as putting back into your community. I at least see 1 littering from an automobile. So I think that kind of, if that allegation was true, then that won't happen anymore, because I'm sure you did a lot of cleaning up and things like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So
and
I just
actually, last time I left, I went to the Secretary of State, the 36th district, and paid those 2 tickets, and it cleared it at the Secretary of State for me too.
And you got license now?
Yes, sir.
I'm glad that you came in, got this stuff behind you. I'm glad we were able to help you.
And I just want to say, Judge, you really changed my life. I can really now start driving for UPS. I've been there 15 years. Always wanted to drive. I just thought my license was out of reach. But I'm so proud of myself, and I just want to thank you for giving me the chance to do it.
Listen, you did it. You did the work, and we appreciate it, sir. And it's another fine example for your son. I'm proud of him as well, too. Where's Mr. Michael Lee Jr.?
I seen him in the room. We're at separate places.
He was on here, I thought.
Yeah, because we both were at work, so he should be.
But he
on
he doesn't have to join. Here he is here. Here he is here. Mr. Michael Lee Jr., good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Lee Deontay Jr., case number SP 147644141. State your name for the record, please. All right. Listen, I was just talking to your dad. We're on the record with your dad as well. And just talking about how proud I am of both of you. You stepped up. You did what you completed your obligation. I'm going to dismiss your case. We appreciate the community service. I know the community helps. I hope you got something out of it as well, other than just getting your case dismissed.
Well, definitely got a lot of knowledge from the ladies too. Just going to see him, talking to him, being at the community service. I definitely got a lot of knowledge. I'm actually at work right now. I had to put some time in, and I was just in the Zoom, but it ended up disconnecting, so I had to hurry up and connect back.
That's all right. Listen, if you're at work, sir, we really appreciate it, sir. And we're grateful for your community service. We're grateful that you put this behind you. I'm going to dismiss your case, and best of luck to you in the future, sir.
I appreciate you. You got on my head about it. Take accountability for my actions. So I really appreciate you for doing that.
All right. All right. We appreciate you as well. All right.
Enjoy yourself.
All right. Be safe.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Mr. Michael Deontay Lee Sr. Again, I can't overstate how much I'm proud of you. You raised an awesome son, and you guys are. I'm glad. Did you get the job driving?
Yes, yes, sir. I will start seasonal. I'll start this coming up Christmas season. You know, I'm still in the warehouse, but they're gonna send me to Intergrad so I can do seasonal first.
Well, I'm sure that's going to turn into a full-time thing, much more money, much more pay, and I'm
Life
proud. I'm
changing.
just happy to say that this community service thing is working, and that I'm just overwhelmed by how much time you put in, and you're a working person. Because a lot of times we get, I'm working, Judge, I can't do it, and you can do it if you put your mind to it, and you're an example of that. All right.
Yep. Thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you. Always check back in. Let us know how you're doing, and continued success and good luck. Okay.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed one.
I'm closing out all the civil infractions. I'm closing out all the civil infractions, and I'm dismissing all of the misdemeanors. Okay.
Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Yep. You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tawana Lewis. Case number SP 172228881. Good morning to you, Miss Lewis. State your name for the record, please.
Tawana Lewis.
All right, Miss Lewis, you were had a combination of ordering to do community service and doing in lieu of fines and costs. You had a total of 30 hours. I see you completed 23 hours. I'm going to give you credit for all the hours that you did. For the case that I call into the record, I'm going to dismiss that case. That'll count for hours. And the other matters, we will 1241431. I'll close out. And SP 15115941, I'll close out. Do you plan on completing the rest of the community service, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I actually really love it. I do plan on.
That's great, ma'am. I mean, I do too. You. It's a definite need in the community. I know that government should take care of a lot of those things, but for various reasons, the government falls short on a lot. But we as we in our community need to support each other, and that's what this is a lot to do with. So, you know, it becomes infectious. You know, you want to keep on doing it when you see you're helping and people appreciate it. So, when will you have the rest of the community service hours completed?
Well, I think I have a total of 30. Tomorrow I'll go back to Habitat for Humanity with Heather. So I do like 9 to 5 there, or 9 to, you know, that'll be like the last day, unfortunately. But I will continue on with them because we're trying to work on other stuff around the community. So
Very good. So you want to come back next week?
Sure.
Listen, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your word for it, okay? I'm gonna take your
Yes,
word
sir.
for it. And I believe that you're a woman of your word, and I'm gonna close these matters out as well. You can just pay it forward, all right?
Yes, sir. And I sure am, because Heather is waiting on me today. But I told her I had court date today. So she said, well, she don't even want to give me up. Okay. So, you know, I really love working there. They are so nice and so sweet. They
It's
are.
good. It's good to be wanted, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is. It's a new experience for me. I never have done anything remotely. I'm a manager at Walmart, but we've done volunteer work, but it's never been like me one-on-one personally with, you know, a community. So, yeah. I love it.
All right, ma'am. We really appreciate it, and we wish you the best of luck. I closed all the matters out, and have a very good rest of your day, okay? Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you, Mr. Phillips, if you can hear me.
He can hear you.
Okay.
All right.
So much. Thank you.
See you later. City of Detroit versus
Thank you.
Jesus Martinez, case number SP 9044742. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please.
Jesus Arellano Martinez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a review. And in lieu of, you were Martinez, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. We see that you completed those 12 hours of community service, and we thank you for that, sir. I hope you got as much out of it as everybody else did. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, Mr. Martinez, and best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. This is the City of Detroit versus Lourdes Recarte Maldonado, case number SP191005551. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Evelyn. Este es el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Recarte Maldonado.
Estoy aquí. Se llama
Ok.
la ciudad, gracias. La ciudad de Detroit contra Lourdes Recarte Maldonado. Número de caso SP19100551. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta. Señora Recarte Maldonado.
Sí.
Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Lourdes Lorena Recarte Maldonado.
Lourdes Lorena Recarte Maldonado.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that, ma'am. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días, usted, señora. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había pedido que hiciera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo aquí también que usted las cumplió. Reconociéndose, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y sus casos quedan desestimados.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day, ma'am, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señora, y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you, same to you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Pedro Salazar Zaldivar, case number SP 187-16261. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Pedro Salazar Saldívar, número de caso SP-187-16261. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Pedro Alejandro Salazar Saldívar.
Good morning, my name is Pedro Alejandro Salazar Saldívar.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. I know the community thanks you over there for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día de la hora agendado para la revisión de su caso. Vemos que aquí le habían ordenado hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de costos y cargos y que usted los ha completado. Por esa razón le damos muchísimas gracias y con eso queda su caso desestimado.
Ok, está bien, gracias, muy amable.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Que tenga un excelente día, señor, y la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Gracias, muy amable.
Thank you, very, very, very kind of you.
Your Honor, I am very sorry to interrupt. This is Attorney Sam Bennett. Alabasa Ludi, we are ready to go when you are.
I was just about to call the case, sir.
Sorry about that.
This is the City of Detroit versus Alabasas Aludi, case number SP 186-9974, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel Bennett praying with on behalf of Mr. Aludi, who is on Zoom. He might still be stuck in the breakout room, but he is here.
So we're not ready to go then.
Well, I thought that he was in the courtroom. Give me 1 second. I'll get him out.
Yeah,
Sorry.
we're not ready to go, counsel.
Are you here, Mr. Aludi?
Mr. Aludi, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Alabas Alaudi.
Alaudi, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, counsel?
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Geringer about a result. He doesn't do a lot of work here in the community court, and neither do I. So we have a couple of different options that we wanted to discuss with the court. Either Mr. Aludi would plead to drag racing with the original 3 charges being dismissed, which would then, if possible, result in a dismissal with community service. Otherwise, he would plead to a misdemeanor straight up to failure to use due care and attention.
Well, that's up to the city to determine. It'll be 12 hours of community services. That's up to the city.
Okay, then we are ready to go along then with the drag racing because he can do the 12 hours of community service.
And the city is willing to dismiss that upon completion?
Yes, he said only the drag racing, not the other reduction. So I wanted to present both to the court, but he said yes to the community service on the drag racing.
I'm talking about the dismissal upon completion.
Yes, that as well. Yes.
All right. You want to take this deal, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Aludi? Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Bennett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room at some point or during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Mr. Aludi, that was when I described your right to a trial.
What is it? Say it again.
I explained to you they have the right to a trial on the case. Is that correct? And you're ready to proceed without a trial, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And let me draw your attention back to May the 21st, 2026, around 12:58 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 8663 Dick Street. What were you doing out there that caused you to, did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And what were you doing out there to have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Mr. Aludi, were you doing burnouts in the parking lot in the park?
Yes.
And you were in the
Okay.
park after dark, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna change that. He's gonna have to do 40 hours of community service. If you don't wanna do the community service, then I'll let you back out of the deal if you don't want to do the community service.
Okay, Mr. Aludi, this would result in a dismissal with 40 hours of community service. Are you still ready to continue with that?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
All right. I'm gonna find him guilty as to the amended count of drag racing. It'll be 40 hours community service. Dismiss upon completion. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
248. But continue.
Please.
248-861 970.
Say that nine. What is that?
4970.
4970. You need the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready, Ron. I'll take it down and text it to him.
All right, I'm gonna call Mr. Phillips this afternoon at 313-879-2155. With the stipulation the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Probable cause stipulated to, Your Honor.
All right, and I'll give them until strike that, August the 12th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, by August the 12th, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Thank you very much, Ron. That would be at 8:30.
At 8:25. I wish you the best of luck. Both of you have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, Judge. Great to see you. Bye.
Thank you. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Carlos Andre Green, case number SP 184-54841. Good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please. Well, you don't have to put. I'm gonna
Wood
give
S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Carlos Andre Green.
Good morning to you, sir. Next time you got to come in with some, not with a tank top on, all right?
Okay, I didn't hear him read that off. I'm sorry, Judge.
That's all right. Today is the day. I'm gonna give you there's a show cause, but he's here set because I guess maybe something we didn't get his community service hours. I'm gonna give him a not guilty plea on that $0 bond, and at this time, you are ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. And for that, we're going to dismiss the SP 184-54841. Thank you for the community service, Mr. Green. If there's nothing further, if you wanted to do more community service, we could have taken care of those other tickets, but I think you may have indicated that you just wanted to do the 12 hours. Is that correct?
Yes, at the time, that's what I indicated, but how many hours are we talking of community service, Your Honor?
He liked that community service, didn't he?
I ain't gonna say I like it, but
well,
you know
1, 5, 6. I'll just say 6 times 6 is 36. 36 more hours. I'll give you credit because you partially paid on one ticket.
And that'll clear up all my tickets.
That'll clear up everything.
Oh yeah, run that. I mean, let me get that. Let me get that, Jan.
All right. How long is it gonna take you? I'll give you 30 days. Come back on the 8/12/2026. 8/12/2026. You have Mr. Phillips' number, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get with him. I get with him probably this weekend.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, you really don't have to do anything. Or you can put that on a review so the file can come back up. Thank you. If there's nothing further, we appreciate the 12. If they have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Yeventino Perez Lopez, case number SP 1916537, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1916538, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juventino Pérez López, número de caso SP 191-65381, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP 191-65372, cargos 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Señor, por favor, su nombre.
Juventino Pérez López.
Juventino Pérez López.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Wood Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor,
Buenos días, señor Pérez López. Hoy es el día y la hora establecidos para la lectura de cargos. Con respecto a la lectura de cargos, ¿cómo desea proceder su representado, señor abogado Berry?
we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, can you state your name for the record?
Voy entonces a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Señor Juventino, por favor, ¿me puede decir su nombre completo?
Juventino Pérez López.
Juventino Pérez López.
All right, Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor Pérez López. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, que va a ofrecerle una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para unirse a la sala de consulta privada número 2.
Join the room.
Join.
Matter.
Unirse.
He's in there. This is the city of Detroit versus Liel Gonzalez, case number SP 1922684, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez. Please state your name for the record.
¿Soy yo?
Oh, we need an interpreter, Your Honor.
¿Sí? ¿Aló?
Yes.
Yes.
Ms. Villarreal.
Your Honor, it does not look like her audio is
I
connected.
think she's lost her audio connection.
Sí, mi micrófono está conectado.
Lo siento, un momento, por favor.
Okay.
I don't know if we need an interpreter. iPhone, good morning to you.
Good morning. Me cambiaron.
Vienna's iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Dina Lamar Giles.
Miss Giles, good morning to you. Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Very good. Let's pass the Gonzalez matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Vina Lamar Giles, case number SP19036651. Good morning to you, Ms. Giles. State your name for the record, please.
Vina Lamar Giles.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we'll close out that SP 190366651 case. You had another case where you owed another, $180. Do you want to do community service for that as well, or no?
If I did the community service, well, no, let me say it like this. If I paid the money, do I have a certain amount of time to pay it, Your Honor?
No, that's up to you and the court downstairs.
Okay, okay.
All right, we'll close this matter out. We thank you for the community service, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
I apologize, Your Honor. I had to step away for a moment.
Okay, very well. Let's do it. Let's try it again. This is the City of Detroit versus Leal Gonzalez, case number SP 1922684, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. I really don't need the ROAs.
I can't find mine.
I'm
That's
looking
fine.
for her name on the docket, Your Honor.
Sorry.
On the bottom of the 830 Leal Gonzalez.
At the bottom of 830, page 1?
Yes, close to the bottom.
Oh, I see it. Thank you, Your Honor. Ready when you are.
City of Detroit versus Leal Gonzalez, case number SP 1922684, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Yelitza González Leal, números de caso SP19-22684, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Yelitza Yana González Leal.
Yelitza González Leal.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y Jerica Harris representando a la acusada para el propósito de lectura de cargos. Mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Gonzalez. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment. I'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Muy buenos días a usted, señora González. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0.
Gracias.
Thank you.
And I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Y la vamos a pasar, señora, virtualmente una sala de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Acepte la invitación cuando la vea en su pantalla que dice join o unirse.
Ok. Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Carlos Alberto Gonzalez, case number SP 1909891. Mr. Gonzalez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Carlos Alberto Gonzalez, sir.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time and is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see I don't see anything, I don't think. Oh, I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, sir. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Okay, sir. Good morning. Yes, I just had a question, sir. I was wondering if by chance maybe there was any like more hours or something I could do just to obtain some kind of restricted license or any kind of driver's license for that fact.
You have to go to the Secretary of State for that.
Yeah, I've been going. I've been going. I've been trying to go for like 13 years now, and for some reason if something comes up to where they're not letting me obtain some kind of a license.
It's not coming up from down here. I don't see anything that would be affecting you from here. It's probably your past, sir.
Yeah,
A license,
it's got to do with the past. That's for sure.
A license is a privilege, not a right. And
yes,
unfortunately, it's unfortunate that they hold some 13 years ago against you. But I suggest you get a lawyer and see if they can help you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But none of this is affecting your ability. That one driving while license revoked would have affected you, but they don't know anything about that. This won't affect you. So best of luck to you, sir. And that's like a one-time deal. If you get it stopped again, you're not going to get that deal again, okay?
Yes, sir.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Is that Cordell Lucas on the iPhone?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now. Good morning to you, Ms. Hill. Mr. Phillips, you didn't get Grisham, huh? They never completed their community service?
No, he did not, Your Honor.
Gary Busso never completed his community service?
Yeah, he did not. He did not, Your Honor.
And Velasquez never completed theirs, correct?
Velasquez.
The last one. Did you ever get a copy of the docket?
No, I did not, Your Honor.
Can we send Mr. Phillips a copy of the docket, please?
Mr. Velasquez, he did complete his 12 hours.
He did?
Yes, he did.
Mr. Phillips, can I have your email so I can send you a copy?
Oh, yeah. I send it to you, Your Honor, to give to her?
Pardon me?
Do I send my email to my address to you to give to her?
It doesn't matter.
Here, I'll send you a direct message and then you can respond to that and that will be me.
Okay.
Okay, did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That's the only, the ones you see, the one I put the hash by is the one we're talking about. The check mark on it. The other ones are somebody else's cases.
Got you, understood. Yep.
What is Lopez gonna do, Mr. Phillips?
Mr. Lopez.
Pardon me?
Mr. Lopez?
Mr. Phillips? I mean,
Yes.
Mr. Barrett, sorry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste con el caso del señor Juventino Pérez López. Señor Juventino Pérez López, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop and to plead as charged to the seatbelt charge.
Tu señoría, mi cliente quiere adherirse a la oferta emitida por la fiscalía, ofrecida por la fiscalía, de declararse del cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico y el cargo, como ha sido acusado, de no tener el pasajero puesto el cinturón de seguridad.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo? Por favor, abra su micrófono y su cámara.
Sí, sí, claro.
Yes, yes, of course.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Hace la estipulación su señoría, abogado, para establecer las bases de fundamento para la emisión de dicha boleta. Sí, estipulación hecha su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Y estipula usted la causa probable para la desestimación del resto de los cargos, sí, su señoría, hecho. Estipulado.
With the stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop and as charged for the seatbelt.
Con esas estipulaciones hechas respectivamente, yo voy a encontrar a su representado responsable del cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico, de impedir el tráfico y enmendado y tal como ha sido acusado del cargo de no llevar puesto el cinturón de seguridad el señor pasajero.
Okay.
In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be a 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Y para ello le voy a imponer 2 horas de servicio comunitario que tienen que ser hechos a través del Centro de Justicia Comunitario.
Está bien.
That's good.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿ya tiene el número para llamar y comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm going to give you until August the 5th to complete the hours.
Está bien, señor. Llame esta misma tarde al señor Berry para el señor Phillips, para establecer cómo y cuándo y dónde hacer las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el 5 de agosto para que haga esas horas.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo la mejor de las suertes y ya se puede desestimar. Your Honor, Mr. Berry informed that his telephone number is on the chat.
He did.
Yeah, he did. Sí, él lo hizo. Señor, ya.
Gracias.
¿Se puede? Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Que tenga excelente día, señor.
Igualmente.
Same to you, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lydia Elizabeth Shelvalin Osorio, case number SP192073881, SP192075001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on
Need an
behalf of
interpreter.
the. Oh,
Evelyn.
That
She
would
is
be
interpreting. Miss Villarreal.
that would be Lydia Elizabeth Chevalin Osorio.
Okay, is Miss Villarreal here?
Yes, I am. Thank you, Emma. I'm looking
Okay.
for her on the list.
Wouldn't that
Osorio.
be-
I see it.
Would that
Linda?
be, do you have one, Miss, you don't have one, do you, Miss Villarreal?
Actually, I do. I'm waiting for one, Miss Harris.
Yes, so, and then you'll get the next two. You'll get the
Okay.
next, yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ok, entonces se llama el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Lidia Chivalán Osorio, número de caso SP-192-07501 y SP-192-07381. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta. Señora, diga su nombre.
Lidia Elizabeth Chivalán Osorio.
Lidia Elizabeth Chivalán Osorio.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
O Woodbury Jr. representando a la acusada, su señoría.
As to the arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Ms. Osorio. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy entonces a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Señora, le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si usted no está de acuerdo con esta oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para unirse a una sala de consulta privada para hablar allí con su abogada, a su abogado.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gonzalez. Ms. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is blocking traffic.
Volvamos ahora con el caso de la señora González. Señora González, yo le di ya la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada y esta es una situación de estar bloqueando tráfico, abogada.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, ma'am? 6 hours of community service?
Y señora, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución? Tendría que hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
¿Y puede usted estipular de que hay causa razonable para yo aceptar una declaración de responsable para su cliente?
So stipulated.
Sí. Así lo estipulo. Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y puede estipular usted que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo, su señoría.
With that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matter. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, reconociendo eso, entonces acepto la declaración suya de responsable al cargo modificado de que estaba usted bloqueando el tráfico. El otro caso queda desestimado. Y en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, le voy a pedir que usted haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
All right, you can give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. Once the hours are complete, I'll give you until August the 5th to complete the hours. We'll close the matter out.
Muy bien, así que esta tarde usted llame al número de teléfono que le dimos, pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para dónde y cuándo usted va a trabajar. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 5 de agosto del 2026 para que alcance a cumplir esas 6 horas.
Ok, y ese sería la fecha en la que nos volveríamos a reunir.
Okay, and on that date, that's when I come back?
Yeah, if you're on the list, you don't have to come back, but yes, that would be the date.
Sí,
Talk to Mr. Phillips.
esa sería la fecha, pero fíjese que si usted ha cumplido y ha hecho las 6 horas y la tienen en la lista, entonces usted no necesita volver el 5 de agosto.
Ah, ok, o sea, si ya las hago y ya no tengo que volver a reunirme con el juez.
Okay, so then if I've done my hours, then I don't have to come back and meet with the judge.
Correct.
Correcto.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day and best of luck to you.
Que tenga usted muy buen día y le deseamos muchísima suerte.
Igualmente, feliz día para todos.
Same to you, and may everyone there have a good day.
Thank you.
Gracias.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jose Alberto Parado, case number SP 184-35281. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llamar el caso de Josué Alberto Prado, número de caso SP 1843. Oh, he speaks English, doesn't he?
Yeah, I speak English.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Hi, good morning. My name is Josué Alberto Prado.
All right, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Parado, we're going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, Mr. Lucas, you are on the docket for today. The cases are called in the order that you checked in, so you might be closer towards the end, if I'm not mistaken.
The end so far. And he missed his court date. All right, he's in the room waiting on you, Ms. Harris. You pass that matter. Go. Un momento. Oh, he's got all kinds of stuff. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Osorio. Osorio, Ms. Osorio, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, pues vamos a volver para que en el acta con el caso de la señora Osorio, Chivalán Osorio, señora, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representada?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license never having been acquired, the other matter to be dismissed.
Tu señoría, mi cliente quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía de declararse culpable del ticket enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y con ello el otro cargo queda desestimado igualmente con una vez que complete las horas de servicio comunitario.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Osorio?
Señor Osorio, ¿quiere tomar esta oferta que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Señora, por favor, ¿podría levantar su mano derecha?
Okay.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar la mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señora, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
No.
¿No? ¿No entiende que tiene ese derecho?
Sí.
No. Don't you understand that you have the right to go to trial? Oh, yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, el señor Berry le explicó a usted sus derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le han ofrecido y que usted ha tomado, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta aquí en actas, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa, señora?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 2nd, 2026 at around 1:15 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lanyo and Kirkwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señora, déjeme llevar su atención al día y al lugar de los hechos y la hora que fue el día 2 de junio del 2026 a la 1:15 de la tarde en las inmediaciones de la calle Lonyo y Kirkwood en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, a ese lugar y en esa hora lo paró usted un oficial de policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y estaba manejando usted un vehículo, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señora?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar, señora?
No tengo.
I don't have one.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. It'll be 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, entonces yo la voy a encontrar culpable del cargo enmendado de que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara, para lo cual le voy a imponer 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que las haya cumplido, voy a desestimar su caso.
Okay.
Ok.
Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Con,
Yes,
con la
Your Honor.
estipulación
So
de la
stipulated.
causa probable, señor abogado, voy a desestimar el otro caso. Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, Miss, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Está bien, señora. Entonces usted tiene ya el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitario.
Sí.
Yes.
I give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'll give you until August 5th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Señora, por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para cuadrar con él cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el 5 de agosto para que las tenga hechas. Por favor, llámelo esta tarde y si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar. Que tenga excelente día.
¿Puedo decir algo?
May I say something?
You may.
Sí, señora.
¿Será que pueden cambiarme la dirección que tienen ahí? ¿Es que es incorrecta?
¿La qué?
La dirección de mi casa.
Okay, I would like to know if you can change my address that you have there, because that's the wrong one.
What is your new address, ma'am?
¿Cuál es su nueva dirección, señora?
5465.
5475
5465.
5475
Cecil.
Cecil.
Está mal.
It's incorrect, Emma.
It's incorrect.
54
54
65.
65 Cecil Street,
Detroit, Michigan.
Detroit, Michigan.
48210.
Ok, repito. 5465 Cecil Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48210.
Spell the street name.
Por favor, señora, deletree el nombre de la calle.
C de casa. E. C de casa. I. L.
C as in cat, E as in Emma, C as in cat, E as in igloo, L as in Lola.
I as an igloo.
Cecil.
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 Okay.
All right, 5465 Cecil Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48210, right?
5465 Cecil Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48210.
Sí.
5465 calle Cecil, Detroit, Michigan, 48210.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'll change it. Call Mr. Phillips and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora, ya la he cambiado. Por favor, llame al señor Phillips esta misma tarde. Que tenga excelente día.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you, same for you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Sierra Francis Aiken, case number SP 1914190, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, I'm right here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, state your full name, Ms. Aiken.
Sierra Francis Aiken.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Aiken, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Parado. Mr. Parado, this is a dismissal, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, valid documentation.
All right, if it's, I'm going to dismiss your case, Mr. Parado. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best
Thank
of
you.
luck.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Your Honor.
As well. Yeah.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Juro Sanchez Hungo, case number SP 1915227, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Uriel Sánchez Jungo, números de caso SP 1915-22-7, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
I can speak English, but my name is Uriel Sanchez Hungo.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for an arraignment. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, I believe the rest of the defendants that have a Spanish surname don't need an interpreter. I think they're all English speaking.
Hinojosa, you don't need an interpreter?
No, I do not.
Okay, Rubik doesn't not need an interpreter, do you? All right, and Ahmed?
No.
Flores Tito does not.
Right.
Okay. Lucas. All right. And Bird. And that would be it.
Yes, Your Honor. With your permission, I'll withdraw.
Okay. Very well, Ms. Villarreal. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'll see you soon. And
Yes.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
Your Honor, what happened to Mr. Carlos Alberto Gonzalez? He was a review.
Oh, he spoke English.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Your Honor, I will be here, but I will come back in 10 minutes, okay?
Very well.
May I? Thank you. I
You may.
appreciate it.
Absolutely.
But I will stay until
Matter of fact,
the end.
as a matter of fact, I can probably just text you if we need anyone.
Okay, perfect. I will take my phone then.
Don't
I
have
have
to worry
some
about.
workers here. I have to check what they are doing.
All right, then you don't have to worry about coming back until you see the text.
Okay, chévere. Gracias. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day. In case I don't,
Have a good day, Miss Annette. I don't see you.
Ciao. Are you following the football?
Oh my goodness. I'm following. Oh, it's just crazy. It's been crazy.
Hi. Bye-bye. Ciao. Bye-bye, Mr. Phillips. Ciao.
All right.
You know what I'm rooting for.
It's been great games.
Yes.
Crazy. All right. Enjoy. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matter. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow them to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You have Mr. Phillips's number, correct, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, I do.
I give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. He'll set the hours up. I'll give you until August the 5th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
So if I do all my hours, I won't have to come back into Zoom
You
court,
won't.
right?
As long as Mr. Phillips, you check with him, he'll keep you on the list and you'll make sure you're on the list with him, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you too.
City of Detroit versus Brian Rubik, case number SP 1916882, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1916889, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please unmute your device and state your name for the record. I sent you a prompt. I have to unmute.
Name is Brian Hubeck.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Oh,
Good morning to you, sir.
my name is Brian Hubeck. Oh,
Good morning to you,
go
sir.
ahead. Sorry, Your Honor.
It's set for an arraignment. Well, one of the matters, a no insurance misdemeanor, is not on here. We'll add that to the offer. Well, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Rubik, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Aiken. Ms. Aiken, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the minor in possession of alcohol. The other matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, and I could do community service.
Well, you'll have to do community service if you take the deal.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
And how old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
All right. All right. Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Aiken, let me draw your attention back to May the 24th, 2026, around 3:47 a.m. In the city of Detroit, in the area of St. John Street in Trenton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Does that mean like I was no, Your Honor.
You didn't have any encounter with the Detroit Police Department at all?
Yes, does that mean like when I was parked up, I was told to step out, like that type of situation? If so, yes.
Yeah, that means you had contact with the Detroit police. The police engaged you, you had contact with the police.
Yes, I talked to them that night.
Very well. And did you have some alcohol with you that night?
Yes, sir. It was a birthday gift I received.
A birthday gift? Who gives a 19-year-old a birthday gift of alcohol? Who gave you that gift?
I am not sure. I received an abundance of presents.
And you weren't going to drink that alcohol, though, were you? Because you knew you weren't of age to drink that, right?
No, sir.
You were going to wait till you were 21 to drink that alcohol?
Yes, I will, and I know better.
So this alcohol that was given to you as a birthday gift, how was it contained?
Sorry, I am a little bit confused.
How was the alcohol? What kind of container was the alcohol in?
Sealed in a glass bottle.
In plain view, open bottle of liquor observed on the floor beside passenger seat with cut in half water bottle being used as a cup for consumption. Person is under 21.
Yes, I am at fault, and I will do community service. The cup situation, I have no words to say about that.
Well, you're going to have some words to say about it because I'm questioning you about it right now.
It was my friend that I was with at the time. It was not my idea, but I definitely didn't say no to cutting the water bottle open. So I apologize, and I do not plan on ever consuming alcohol again.
No, what my question is, you told me that you received this alcohol as a birthday present. You also told me that you were not gonna drink the alcohol. You were gonna save it until you were of age to drink the alcohol. And you also told me that the bottle was, the alcohol was contained in a sealed container. Did you not tell me all those things?
I thought you meant I won't do it again if I'm 21. That's why I agreed to that. No, sir, I'll never do it until I'm 21 again.
Okay, but did you also tell me that the bottle of alcohol was contained in a sealed container?
Yes, because I thought I cut it to drink it, but I thought you meant, sir, sorry, Your Honor, I thought you meant what container was it in? Like, was it in a plastic, and did it come in a type of container? I'm a little.
So you're saying that before you open the bottle to pour it in the cup or the cut open water bottle, it was sealed before that time, right?
Yes.
And you did open the bottle and pour it in the container to consume, right?
Yes.
And you did actually consume that, correct?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty as charged. Mr. Berry, with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 12 hours of community service, ma'am, with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. If you complete the community service hours, I'll dismiss the case. I do need a good phone number from your client, Mr. Berry. If you have that, you can put it in the chat.
Okay. It should be in the chat, Your
Honor. I see it. Thank you. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Ms. Aiken?
Yes, I do. I wrote it down.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. I'll give you until August the 5th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, then we will close your matter out. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Lisette Angelina Gomes. Case number SP 1914959. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gomes.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lizette Gomes. Well, Lizette Angeline Gomes, I'm sorry.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gomes is here also with Mr. Robert Williams as a witness, Mr. Berry. So if you need to speak with him, then I'll put him in a breakout room after you speak with Ms. Gomes, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? She's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Rubik. Mr. Rubik, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client does not want to do community service?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, Mr. Rubik, and that judge is going to be the Honorable Judge Herman Griffin, okay?
Yes, sir. Or yes, Your Honor.
All right. The next court date.
22nd.
I just put the 29th.
Oh, that'll be fine.
The next court date is going to be July the 29th at 8:30. Judge Griffin's Zoom ID is 360-334-0000. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right, Mr. Hinojosa, this is the City of Detroit versus Luis Hinojosa, case number SP 191-52241. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon
Yes.
Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Luis Carlos Hinojosa.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, we may arraign him on all of these matters. The other matters are in warrant status, and this may be one where he needs to go to his alphabet judge. We'll call U68902924. That's a EWAP ticket. SP10. Strike that. Yeah, we'll call it SP10717091. That's an open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. It seemed like he pled on that ticket already. SP 165-14171, a disorderly conduct, that he may have pled on that already as well. SP 179-85771, alcohol-related violation, that's in warrant status. SP 179-8591, count 1 is urinating or defecating in public, that's in warrant status. Count 2 is disorderly person, that's in warrant status. SP 1799441, that is in the park after dark, that's in warrant status. And SP 180414131, that's a loitering ticket, that's in warrant status. I'll recall all the warrants. I'll give them a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, speak to Mr. Hinojosa. Mr. Hinojosa, Ms. Harris will attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room. We'll pass the matter.
Hello.
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 Hold on, Mr. Williams. They're speaking with Ms. Gooms now.
Okay.
Hello?
All right, are we back on the record with Ms. Gooms? Mr. Berry,
Yes,
I've
sir.
given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. I mean, Ms. Gooms, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel in this matter.
Very well. Is that what you want, Ms. Gooms?
I I don't want to go to trial, but I do want to, I need you guys to hear me. The police is very
Okay, so
mean
stop,
and they like to lie.
please. Stop. Ms. Gooms, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a way of how procedure works, ma'am. I know you want to be heard, and the way to be heard is at a trial. Now, what I will do is I will appoint you an attorney, correct? And you can go over the case with the attorney. The attorney can go over the case more in depth with the city attorney, and they can have conversations back and forth to see if they can come to a resolution. If they don't come to a resolution, the city attorney does not have to dismiss the case unless your attorney files a motion and that you weren't properly they didn't have probable cause or something like that to charge you with these charges, then you would have to go to trial and be heard that way. You understand, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
What I'll do is I'll point you that attorney, ma'am, and I will set a pretrial date for July the 31st, 2026 at 8:30. That date is really set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If the appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir. Can you please tell me what I'm being charged with?
Oh, you didn't know, you don't know what you're being charged with?
Because what they said on the ticket is very different than what you just said.
Okay, I didn't say anything about the charges, but what I will go over with you is the charges. The charges are being in a private park closed, and that I don't know why it says private, because that park is public. That park is public.
Thank you.
But it's nevertheless being in that park after the hour, and it says 10:03 p.m. and the closes at 10 p.m. So I don't know about that. And that is a 90-day misdemeanor. And then failure to comply with a lawful command of a police officer, non-traffic, another 90-day misdemeanor. Those are the charges you've been charged with.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I know it can be a little frustrating, ma'am, especially if you feel that these tickets were written to you in error, but the court has a procedure and the court has to follow that procedure. You understand that, Ms. Gooms?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I do wish you the best of luck, ma'am. I'm hopeful that attorney can work things out for you. I do recognize your witness, Mr. Robert Williams, is here. He's more than welcome to come back on that date as well. But I'm sure that you'll have opportunity to, hopefully, you'll have opportunity to that attorney contacts you, and you'll have some discussion with that attorney before your next court date. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Answer the call.
Yes, I'm available as well.
Pardon me. State your name for the record, Mr. Williams.
Robert Williams.
All right, and
officially,
Go ahead.
I said officially, I'm Lieutenant Williams with the City of Detroit General Service Department Security.
Oh,
I'm one of the people responsible for clearing the park.
Now, are you here on behalf of Ms. Gooms, or are you here on behalf of the city?
On behalf of Ms. Gooms.
Very good. Well, you got a strong witness there, Lieutenant Williams. Good morning to you. And the next time, can we have you sign in so I can see what everybody looks like?
Yeah, I did the phone thing because I wasn't having success with getting on the Zoom.
All right, you all can figure that out by the next court date. I wish you both the best of luck, and July the 31st at 8:30. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Manoon Ali Ahmed K. Ahmed Case number SP1914161, appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Mamoon.
Mamoon Ahmed. Mamoon Ali Ahmed.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment for the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ahmed, Ahmed, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass.
Yeah.
Ms. Bird, good morning. Oh, are we ready on Hinojosa?
Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Hinojosa. Mr. Hinojosa, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I believe the best option for him is to have an attorney appointed. It seems as if he would be willing to do community service, but I also don't know if, based on some of the conversations we've had, if he's going to be able to do the community service. But we also need someone to be able to refresh his recollection and review dash cam and body cam. So we're going to need an attorney appointed to do that.
And we're going to send him to his alphabet judge. I'll appoint you an attorney, Mr. Hinojosa. Is this the best phone number to reach you?
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. That's Judge Youngblood. You have an ink pen, sir?
Do
you have an ink pen?
What is that? Oh yeah, I got a pen. Yes, I do.
About Youngblood, did you get a date for her?
Youngblood.
Her Zoom ID is going to be 360-360-0340.
723.
Okay.
The next.
Hold on.
Can you repeat it?
Oh, can you repeat it, please?
360-360-0340.
Wait a minute, that's too fast. 360. All right, I got 2 360s. Then what?
And 0340.
0340.
The next court date is going to be July the 23rd.
Okay.
July the 23rd at 8:30 in front of Judge Youngblood. Okay, Mr. Hinojosa, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. City of Detroit versus Alexis Bird, case number SP146044641. Appearance for the record, please.
Kara Harris, on behalf of Ms. Bird, please state your name for the record.
Yep, Alexis Bird.
All right, good morning to
Purposes
you,
of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Bird, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. K. Ahmed. Mr. K. Ahmed, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and counsel, and I would think he would go to his alphabet judge.
That's what you want, sir?
Yes.
All right, your alphabet judge is going to be in courtroom 336. There's no judge that's assigned to that courtroom. There's a visiting judge, 336. And the pretrial date is going to be August the 16th, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Okay, I got that.
All right, if you answer the calls you don't recognize, I need a good phone number from you.
313-240-1140.
Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, ask the judge in that courtroom to appoint you an attorney, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Ashley Alexandra Flores Tadillo, case number SP 191-95491, SP 191-9569, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Tadeo.
Ashley Flores, Alexandra Tadeo.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For the purpose of arraignment, counselor?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Tadeo, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Bird. Ms. Bird, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, ma'am, for that trial date. Do you need an appointment? Does she need an appointed attorney?
Did you want an attorney?
Yes.
Here, I'm going to send you a chat message to get your contact information.
Okay.
That'll go in front of Judge Yancey. Can we get date for Judge Yancey, please?
Judge Yancey.
It'll be a pretrial date, ma'am. That date is set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity.
7/24. I'm sorry.
7/24. Don't pause. That's July the 24th. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by your next court date, then we'll ask Judge Yancey to appoint one on the spot. Judge Yancey's Zoom ID is 360-335-0000, okay?
Okay.
And once I get that phone number, you'll be free to leave. You have any other questions, ma'am?
No, not at the moment.
And I do have her, I am gonna attempt to copy and paste.
I didn't think copy and paste worked on that anymore. Miss Harris is having a Mr. Barry moment.
Yes, I am.
That's part of what we need. There's no phone number attached.
If I say it one more time.
It's always interesting to know what all those numbers. I know the A Bird, what the numbers and stuff behind that, but I got the phone number. Miss Bird, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Okay, I'm gonna put in a alternate phone number as well, because I've been trying to get that phone number fixed. Should be online today, but I'm gonna put in another phone number.
I'll put the phone number down at the bottom.
Oh, 636. 24.
Thank you, Ms. Bird.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Bird, have a very good rest of your day. Answer the calls you don't recognize, and best of luck to you, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Cordell Martinez Lucas, case number SP 1870779, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. He left.
Erica
Lucas.
Harris on
Oh, he's
behalf
on.
of
He's
Ms.
on.
Sheriff
Okay, good.
Harris on behalf of Mr. Lucas, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter, and good morning to you, sir. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lucas, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Your Honor, I'm going to step out in just a moment.
You, okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Mr. Lucas, well, you're here.
Yes.
I'm going to give you a pretrial date of July the 31st, 2026 at 8:30. You'll be back here. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Understood.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lucas, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Flores. Ms. Flores, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the improper license charge and blocking traffic for disregarding a traffic signal. The remaining matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 28th, 2026, around 7:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lanyo and Kirkwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license,
Yes.
and you couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
Because I don't have it.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Stipulate the probable cause for the, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And with that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. Allowing is 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. I'm not going to fine you for the blocking traffic, ma'am. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set the hours up. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I call Mr. Phillips. I'll give you until August the 5th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Well, thank you.